Hi, this is MC, your DMCI Homes Property Consultant. We're here in Brixton Place, Pasig City for another condo tour vlog. Keeping its promise of delivering projects on or ahead of time, DMCI Homes has completed the first tower of its Brixton Place development in Capitolio, Pasig. Along with the first building, DMCI Homes has also completed most of the property's amenities that includes the play area, shooting court, picnic area, lap pool for the enjoyment of the residents. Meanwhile, construction continues on Brixton Place's second tower, Weston, which is slated for turnover in May 2022. Brent Tower is 46-story with 8 elevators. It is also carrying DMCI Homes' feature of spacious single-loaded corridors. Lumivent technology is also present on this project, which allows natural air and light to come in and out of the building. All DMCI homes are exclusive, built to contain only a limited number of housing units for residents, to maintain a 60-40 footprint to building space ratio that leaves ample room for gardens and more open areas. Living in DMCI Homes projects is such a satisfaction. My favorite is the open lounge at the roof deck. It has ample city skyline from Makati, Ortigas, BGC, and even Antipolo. Of course, I had to take picture on it. I hope you enjoy condo touring with me and see you next time. Bye!